Hey guys, we're back to talk a little bit about keeping your annuals watered. So a few of the big things with your annuals, good sunlight and keeping them watered. But not only watered, but you want to feed them. Feeding them on a weekly basis. A lot of people don't necessarily think about feeding their annuals. Periodically you'll give them a shot of Miracle-Gro, and then you kind of forget about them. And they go away. But what we do is we fertilize all of our annuals on a weekly basis, every week, every Sunday. Every Sunday, that's my ritual. I go and I fertilize all of our annuals. So our favorite is Espoma. Bloom Booster is what it's called. Espoma is all organic. It puts great things into the soil because, as you know, potting soil, it all leaches out, into the ground. There isn't an endless supply of nutrients like there is for your plants that are in the ground. So if you've got a potted plant, there's only as much as what's in the pot for it to work with. So that's why when we put the fertilizer, when we plant up the annual, we'll put some slow release granular fertilizer in there, and then we kick it up on a weekly basis to give it some good nutrients in the ground. Really what's going to boost those blooms is the phosphorus that's in there. Let's go and take a look at an annual, and we'll put some fertilizer on it and get it mixed up and see how it goes. So here's one of our favorite plants. This one here needs a little bit of a haircut, but it is a Supertunia Bloomin' Punch by Proven Winners. As you guys know, we love Proven Winners. These guys are fantastic. They keep on blooming and blooming and blooming. They're self-deadheading. So, all you got to do is water them, fertilize them a bit, and just enjoy them. So this is going to be our subject for our watering, and let's come back here in a second and we'll So guys, what we found in our neck of the woods, usually have to water our plants, our annuals, in the heat of the summer every day. But usually, when things aren't quite so blazing hot like they are now, we'll hit them with a little bit of water every couple of days. You kind of, depending on the plant, depending on the soil, you kind of really have to look at it and see, how that plant is doing. You can stick your finger in there, see if it's moist. If it's moist, don't water it. If it feels like it needs to be watered, then water it. So there's no real, proven science to it, I guess you could say. But with our Espoma organic bloom booster that we use on our annuals, for 2 gallons, we just give it 5 shots of it. Basically, it's 5 little doses. Put that into your watering can, mix it up, and you're ready to go. So let's mix this up here. That's all there is to it. You don't have to mix it. You just put it in your can to begin with, put the water over it, and it will do all the magic for you. Just mix it right straight up, organic and nice and clean. That's really all there is to it. Just water up your plants. Simple as that, guys. This is a 2-gallon can that we use. What I do is each one of our pots, they're right around between 15 to 20 inches. What I like to do is just go ahead and give them a gallon of the water. That'll get them good and saturated. They'll pick up all of the the good food in there, and they're good to go for the next week, and then you just get to enjoy them all week long. I think that's all that I have for you on this video. So back to kind of summarize, give your plants a shot of water, just straight water every couple of days in the heat of summer. Test them, put your finger in there, see if they need more or less water. They'll let you know. And on a weekly basis, you want to feed your plants. Again, we use the Spoma Organic. You can look for a card right up there where you can order it up, or we'll put a link down below. It's fantastic stuff, and we swear by it. So till next time, it's Dennis from Evergreen Gardens. Enjoy, guys. Thanks.